David Beckham was born on May 2, 1975, in London, England. His father was a kitchen installer. His mother was a hairdresser. The family didn't have much money, but they had something else: football. David's parents were huge fans of Manchester United, and so was David. He said, "When I was a child, I always wanted to be a footballer. Nothing else." While other boys played games or watched cartoons, David practiced. He kicked the ball against the wall over and over again. He worked on perfecting his free kicks from the age of 7. He wasn't the strongest or the fastest, but he had something special: focus, passion, and unbelievable control. At age 11, Beckham won a talent contest, Soccer Skills Champion of Britain. His prize? A trip to Barcelona and national attention. Soon after, Manchester United invited him to join their youth team. He moved away from home as a teenager to train. He lived in a small room, washed his own clothes, and trained hard every single day. He missed his family, but he had a goal: play for Manchester United. In 1992, at just 17, Beckham made his first team debut. By 1995, he became a regular, and in 1996, he became a star. That year, he scored an incredible goal from the halfway line. The world noticed. He helped United win the Premier League, FA Cup, and Champions League, all in one season, 1999. He became part of the famous class of '92, alongside players like Ryan Giggs and Paul Scholes. But fame was coming fast, and with fame came pressure. In the 1998 World Cup, England faced Argentina. It was a tough match. During the game, Beckham got frustrated and kicked an Argentine player, Diego Simeone, while lying on the ground. The referee showed Beckham a red card. England lost the game on penalties. And when they did, the country looked for someone to blame. That someone was Beckham. When he returned to England, the hate was everywhere. People booed him. Newspapers mocked him. He received death threats. Even effigies of him were burned. He was just 23. Most players would have collapsed. But Beckham didn't. He kept his head down, worked harder, and came back stronger. He turned pain into power. While the media hated him, someone else didn't. Victoria Adams, also known as Posh Spice from the Spice Girls, one of the most famous music groups in the world. They met in 1997 and married in 1999. People called them Posh and Becks, a celebrity couple like no other. Beckham became not just a footballer but a global icon, famous for his fashion, tattoos, hairstyles, and cool attitude. Brands loved him. Magazines followed him. He became a trendsetter. But behind the flash, Beckham stayed grounded. He kept training hard. He stayed loyal to his teams. He remained humble. He said, "People may hate you for a moment, but only you can decide who you really are." After the 1998 drama, Beckham didn't hide. He rose. In 2000, he became the captain of the England national team. He led with pride, emotion, and responsibility. In 2001, during a World Cup qualifying match, England needed a goal in the final minute. Beckham stood over a free kick and scored one of the most iconic goals in English history. The stadium exploded. England qualified. He was no longer the villain, he was a hero. In 2003, Beckham left Manchester United and joined Real Madrid, one of the biggest clubs in the world. There he played with legends like Zidane, Ronaldo, and Figo. Then in 2007, Beckham shocked the football world by moving to the LA Galaxy in the United States. Many thought he was finished. But Beckham had a bigger plan: "I want to grow football in America." And he did. He helped bring international attention to MLS, inspired young players, and started building his brand in business and sport. He later played for AC Milan and Paris Saint-Germain, proving he could still compete at the top. Beckham retired in 2013, after over 20 years in professional football. But he never really left the sport. He became the owner of Inter Miami CF, helping shape football in the US again. He worked with charities, became a UNICEF ambassador, and stayed in the public eye, not as a star but as a leader and mentor. He's a father of 4, a devoted husband, and a man known not just for style, but for substance. David Beckham's story is about more than free kicks and fame. It's about turning public hate into private strength, staying humble even when the world is watching, balancing family, love, sport, and business, redefining what it means to be a modern athlete. He once said, "I've made mistakes. Everyone does. But I never stopped trying to be better." That's why Beckham isn't just remembered for his goals, he's remembered for his grit, grace, and growth. David Beckham proved that even when the world turns on you, you can rise, shine, and inspire millions. Listen again to feel every chapter more deeply. In the comments, which moment in Beckham's life inspired you the most? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more powerful stories in simple English.